If you have an iPhone that says iPhone is disabled, connect to iTunes on the screen. Don't panic. This error message usually means that you have entered the wrong passcode too many times and your phone is now locked. But don't worry, in this video I will show you step by step how to unlock your iPhone using iTunes and 3U tools. The first thing you need to have is a Windows PC or Mac that has iTunes installed. You can download iTunes from Microsoft Store or Apple support website. The link is given in the description. Now without further wasting your time, let's get started on how to fix your disabled iPhone. Now first of all we need to download the IPSW firmware. The default iTunes download manager is not fast and takes longer, so I am using ipsw.me. The link is given in the description where you can download the same firmware file in less time. So here is the home page of the website where all the Apple products are listed. As you can see, iPad, Apple TV, Mac, Apple Watch. So I will select iPhone. Now here are all the iPhone models including the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Plus and older models. You can select your phone model from here. My device is iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I will select this one. Now here are all the list of IPSW file and iOS versions available for your device. The latest firmware is iOS 16.4. So I will select this one. Now here is the download page. Now I have installed IDM, so I will right click and download with IDM. Now it will generate a download link, as you can see, and when you click on the start download, it will start downloading the firmware. If you don't have IDM, you can simply click on download and it will download the file in your browser. I have already downloaded the file, so I will cancel this one. After downloading the IPSW firmware for your iPhone, now connect your iPhone to PC and boot it into recovery mode. Now press the volume up key, volume down, and now keep holding the power key until you see the recovery screen on your iPhone. I am still holding the power key, as you can see. It takes around 20 to 25 seconds. So still holding the power key. Now my iPhone is in recovery mode. Now I will launch iTunes or 3U tools to restore my iPhone. iTunes will detect your iPhone in recovery mode and will give you options to update or restore your iPhone. Now you can do the same with 3U tools. As you can see, it will give you to go flash option. So click on go flash and here it will give you the options to download or import the firmware. As we have already downloaded, so I will click on import and select the firmware file. Now it will import. Now once it completes, you will click on the flash button and it will flash the firmware on your iPhone and your phone should be restored that you can set up. Now I will close this and use iTunes. Cancel this. Hold the shift key on your keyboard and click on the restore iPhone button and select the firmware file that you have downloaded earlier and click on restore. Now it will extract the software. And restore your iPhone software. It takes around 10 minutes, so you need to have some patience while it restores your iPhone to factory setting. Restoring your iPhone will erase and factory reset your phone. Now you don't have to do anything. Once it completes, iTunes will give you a message your iPhone has been restored to factory settings, and you can now disconnect your phone from PC and set up your phone. Select the language, connect to a Wi-Fi network, accept the terms and conditions, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.